Now turn to page 8, instant drill number 3. The question asks you to compare the direct number in each of the following groups and use the symbol greater than or the symbol smaller than to express the answer. Now first of all, the number in part A1 you are going to compare are positive 4. So I'm going to use a number line to help us find out which one is larger, which one is smaller. Positive 4 is here with a red cross. I plot it on it. And then the second number is positive 5.3. We don't see 5.3, but we see 5 here. And 5.3 should be a little bit greater than 5. So I put a cross somewhere in between 5 and 6. So you see 4 is on the left on positive 5.3. That's why the relationship between positive 4 and positive 5.3 should be with this symbol, that positive 4 is smaller than positive 5.3. Part 2. Part 2 is similar. You're asked to compare whether negative 2 and positive 1/2, which one is greater. So I use a purple color. Negative 2 is here, and I put a cross. This is negative 2. And a positive of 1/2, I use a green. So positive number is on the right of the origin, which is less than 1, so it should be at the middle of 0 and 1. To compare the position of the two numbers, negative 2 is on the left. So negative 2 and a positive of 1/2, we should have the relationship of this symbol to link them. That negative 2 is smaller than positive 1/2. So part 3, you're asked to compare negative 5.5 and negative 6. Okay, let's go on. So negative 5.5, negative number is on the left of the origin. Negative 5 is here. So negative 5.5 should be a little bit more on the left, in the middle of 5 and 6. So here, this is negative 5.5. The final number, we should have a negative 6. So negative 6, I'm using a brown color to plot it. So this is exactly where negative 6 is. To compare the position, negative 5.5 is on the right of negative 6. So negative 5.5 is greater than negative 6. Negative 5.5 is greater than negative 6. So that's how we fill in the symbol to represent the relationship for comparison. This is part A. So finally, part B, you're asked to arrange the 6 numbers in ascending order. Ascending order meaning from left to right, we should list our number from small number to larger numbers, to large numbers, smaller number to larger number. So look at the number line. We will see from left to right, the smallest number should be negative 6. So I'll put negative 6. And then the next on the number line will be a negative 5.5. So from left to right, I'm listing number out. So we've got a positive of 1/2 and a positive of 4. And finally, a positive of 5.3. So that's done. This is called to arrange numbers in ascending order.